Now, if you've ever wondered how sports fans deal with the long Russian winters, then one of the answers is Russian billiards.
If you've ever played it, you'll know it's a game that's fiendishly difficult, requiring both the skills of a craftsman and the patience of a saint. But luckily for us, Svetlana Kurakina has both, and so she volunteered to give the game a try.
Those who played say it's a game for true winners. Alexander's been practicing since he was 10, taught by his father. Now, when they play each other, none of them wants to be behind the 8th ball.
The most exciting thing about it is how difficult it is. You always have to think about your next move, but once you become good at it, you get such a kick.
Billiards appeared in Russia almost 300 years ago when Tsar Peter the Great imported it from Europe. But from the outset, the Russians turned it into a whole new ball game. Russian billiards, or as it's often called, the Russian pyramid, is played with 15 white and 1 red cue ball. The first player to pocket any 8 balls wins. It may look easy enough, but the table and the balls are bigger than in Western pool, while the pockets are only several millimeters larger than the balls. This makes the game especially challenging, requiring outstanding precision.
In this game, you'll never pocket a ball by pure luck. You know, a game of pool is always played with a smile. It's very easy going. The Russian pyramid requires great concentration. You've got to control yourself, to control the ball, and to control your opponent.
Enough to get all balled up.
To become a true cue master, you've got to be on the ball learning the basics. How to stand, where to place your right and left hands, and study different playing techniques. But in this game, knowing the theory doesn't help much. It's all about practice.
In fact, some 5 years of it to become a professional. To get the ball rolling, beginners have to practice dozens of strokes to eventually be able to do this, or this. And every move has to be repeated hundreds of times until it becomes second nature.
You aim, you swing your arm backwards, and you follow through.
Still, it's not all about skills. The cue can be all important. It's a choice that can bring you a hard-earned victory. Professionals want the kind of cue Andrei makes. He started 10 years ago. Now his unique custom-made pieces are snapped up by the rich and famous. Each one takes a year to make and costs up to $10,000. Working with wood requires special conditions. Constant temperature and humidity levels in his workshop all year round. And a lot of patience.
I had a professional artist helping me with this one. It's painted with watercolors and encrusted with silver and mother of pearl. In my job, the key is to respect the wood. If you rush it, the cue may become deformed. No 2 cues are alike. It's like a weapon for a warrior, completely unique.
You certainly need to be on the ball to get to the top of the Russian pyramid. But once you've mastered it, you're sure to have a ball. Svetlana Kurakina, Primetime Russia, RT.
It takes a year to make a billiard cue. I wouldn't want him building a house for me.
Oh, go on. It just shows that it's really professionally done.
They did look very nice, though. I will say that, very artistic. But I hope he puts a little magic dust in them, because it's such a difficult game. I've played it. I don't know if you have.
Yeah,
and I found it impossible. Huge balls. I'm sure the pockets are smaller than the balls. They're about the same size, maybe.
They took all the colour out of the game. No pink balls, so I prefer snooker, if anyone wants to know.
There's no pics. It's got a pink, hasn't it? Which,
yes.
And lots of other pretty colours as well. I'm with you there.
Yellows there.
I'm with you on that one, yeah.